Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Kraken API keys for audit-ready crypto records step by step clearly. To backup your Kraken API keys for audit-ready crypto records, begin by logging into your Kraken account. Navigate to the API section of your account settings. Once there, locate your existing API keys. Select the API key you want to backup. Click on the option to view the key details. Carefully copy the key's public and private components. Open a secure text editor on your device. Paste the keys into the text editor. Ensure you save the file with a clear and identifiable name. Next, secure the file with encryption if your text editor supports it. If not, consider using a dedicated encryption tool to protect your keys. Once encrypted, save the file in a secure location on your device. For added safety, consider backing up the file to an encrypted cloud storage service. Make sure access to this cloud service is also secured with strong authentication measures. Document your backup process in a separate, secure file for future reference. Regularly review and update your backups to ensure their integrity. Remember to delete any outdated keys or files to minimize security risks. By following these steps, your Kraken API keys will be backed up and ready for audit when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.